Hey guys, how are you guys? Are you okay? I know that question is very tough to answer, but let me just wish you all the best. So guys, I'm Mercy Odongo. For those who do not know me, thank you for clicking, guys. So guys, as you all know, we are all about mental and emotional wellness, but today I want to share with you a different content whereby I'm gonna show you how I operate my washing machine. If you are a first time user of a washing machine, take note on this, and thanks for clicking. Kindly subscribe, share and comment. Now let's begin. So guys, this is basically it. It's Samsung type, and this is the door. It's the front load. Then here, this is where you set. If you want to wash, this Super Eco Wash is for cleaning the drum. Quick Wash is for clean clothes. You just wanna wash them for like 15 minutes. You put there. Then Wool is for washing the wools, clothes made of wools. Then Baby Care is for babies. Outdoor Care, you can wash the clothes, your dirty clothes, a mixture. Then Dark Garment, the cotton type of clothes, you set either this one or this. Synthetics, this one. If you just want, you wash your clothes and you just want to remove the water, you put this one, the spin one. You just spin it and hang it for like 10 minutes. Then here you've washed your clothes, you've not rinsed, so you want to rinse and spin. You put rinse and spin. And Eco Drum, that's also for washing the drum. This is the drum. That one. That's the drum. Guys, don't mind about the shoes. So let's put our clothes in. Here I've put the powder soap, the softeners. Either you can use either Star Soft or Downy. And here I do have the solid, the what, liquid soap, but here it's for liquid soap. Done. What again? Connection. Outlet. I'm gonna put this pen here, this one, so that when the water comes, it enters that pen. And this is the inlet. So let's start. Let's connect it. So my clothes are cotton. Most of them are cotton. I've sorted them out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to cotton here. Then this is temperature. I think I'm gonna put 60. Then spinning 12. I want to remove all the water out, so I'm gonna go to 12, 1200. Then these options, no, I don't want to delay and I don't want it to delay. Then soak, bubble soak. Yeah, I need my clothes to be soaked up a bit, so I'm gonna soak them. Then that's it. So what is remaining? I think nothing is remaining. Don't mind the money. So let's give it an okay. So in case you've been wondering how it does the work, this is how the clothes are being washed inside here. I guess I need to add some soap. So this is basically it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for clicking. Kindly subscribe.